So guys, this is the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Today in this video, let's unbox it and take a quick look inside. My name is Rishi Raj, you're watching CyberScene, and let's begin. Alright, so this is the box in which the Redmi Note 5 Pro comes in. As you can see, it's the 464 variant in the black color. Let's go ahead, peel off the protective plastic and break the seal. Opening up the box, the first thing we get is an envelope which carries a silicone case to protect your device. Then we have the phone itself. Let's just keep it aside for a moment and check at the box contents. We have some quick start guides and the safety and warranty informations. Then we have the power adapter and the micro USB cable, which isn't that long. And by the time the phone boots up, let me just give you the physical overview of the phone. Towards the top, we have the IR blaster and the secondary noise cancellation microphone. Towards the back, we have dual rear cameras, the first one being the 12 megapixel shooter and the second one is a 5 megapixel shooter, and we also have a LED flash. Lower below, we have the fingerprint scanner and then the Mi branding. Towards the bottom, we have the 3.5mm headphone jack. Yes, that still exists. Then we have the primary microphone, the micro USB port and the speaker grill. Towards the left is where you will find the SIM tray. This accepts 2 nano SIMs or a SIM and a micro SD card. Towards the right is where you will find the volume rockers and the power button. To the front, on top, we have a 20 megapixel front facing camera, earpiece, sensors and a LED flash. Then we have a 5.99 inch 18:9 IPS LCD display. So guys, now let me just give you some of the camera samples shot on the Redmi Note 5 Pro's dual rear cameras. So guys, that's it for now for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also press the bell icon to get notified as soon as a new video from CyberScene goes live. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Google+. All the social media links are down in the description. Till next time, my name is Rishi and I'm signing out.